Should I ping?
Yes, thank you. I'm gonna put the stream overlay.
Oh no, you had the ping yesterday.
Yeah, you weren't here, so
Damn,
somebody
that's so
had
sad.
to. Dude,
Yeah.
didn't I do a great job? Just look at that beautiful message.
Yeah, that's great. I also totally didn't copy your message today. But I did like my own thing.
Yeah, nobody tuned in yesterday because you weren't here. They were like, what's the point of watching if Harold ain't there, you know?
Yeah, exactly. You know, the podcast with only one member is kind of not a podcast.
That's just a
Am
pod.
I right? Yeah, that's just a podcast.
Not even an AirPod, bro. That's just hello, Peppa.
You know, not even an AirPod. That's sad.
That's just sad, bro. Let's see. I'm gonna try to open selector. Let's see. I should find.
Yo.
Yo, what's
What?
up?
It's the dude.
I thought he was
Are you in
training.
the training right now?
But I was training.
You was, but why
So
ain't
go back to
Been
training.
through it.
Yo, it's pig.
Yeah, exactly, Tishef. It's the pig.
Yo, it's the pig.
That's a great way to meet. That's the best way to greet your friends. Yo, that's the pig.
Who's that told you that he was my friend? He's my pig.
Oh, this. Oh, dang. That's quite a little pig you got there.
By the way, Harold, did you cook something in Minecraft?
Yes.
Wait, are you all
What
playing
level
on
are you?
that server right
40.
now?
Yes.
Wait, Harold,
Sort
you are
of.
40.
Yes.
Bro,
I'm
you're
not trying
higher
too much
than me.
either. What? Okay, damn. I don't know. I thought I was kind of low. I'm not really trying anymore. I'm just building.
That's nice. You're on, but you were on the spider farm, right?
A little bit. You gain more XP from like
Hello, Chupak.
making chickens, you know. Yeah, you know that. You know the Colonel Sanders he got like 1,000 levels.
Yeah, I'm eating now, and then I will be on.
That's
What?
crazy,
How do you eat?
bro. How do you eat? Yeah, how the fuck do you eat?
I eat chicken. Oh wait, I have chicken. I still have cooked chicken that I made with bread. Wait, be right back.
Not gonna lie, Lucas. I think almost you could build better than these German dudes. Like they were not cooking. It looked like a hobo and an AI made a building together.
Actually, but you have seen my Minecraft building shit. I'm a great builder. I just don't have any of my builds.
Okay, well that's good too.
Like I used to build a lot, Mr. Pots.
Yeah, the only thing I did was literally
What is
build in
this?
Minecraft, and that's still the only thing I do.
He's. I need to go back, yo. Somebody's trying to compete
Wait,
against my Mr.
is your old channel called Mr. Potts, right?
Yeah.
Ah, hell no. Bro, that sounds like some drug addict. Mr. Potts.
Hello, Trauhan.
Yo, it's Mr. Potts. What he got in stock today?
I don't know. I don't even have my greatest builds here, which is quite sad because I have made like a. Oh man, why did I make videos about my shittiest builds? Like, what the fuck is wrong with me?
Okay, I mean, if those are shitty, then you're accepted as a builder. It's good to know that you're a fellow builder like myself.
You know, when I was, I think I was 14, and I was with the boys playing Minecraft through Skype. And
what? Skype?
Yeah.
You're old.
Hey, you know what I used to sing when I went mining?
Oh, it got to be something with miners.
Yes, I'm a miner. I just went to I'm a miner. Well, I wasn't wrong, but fuck, bro.
Damn, bro, didn't know.
Bro didn't know.
Harold, can
Yes.
you share your screen? Or at least when you're still playing Minecraft? Okay.
KK, what are we saying? Don't add an extra K on those two Ks, because then it will be something else.
Yeah, for
Alright, see a pig. Let's see, I need a reducer now to update direction of player.
or do
Where's the Vsauce, bro?
it's too low today.
Okay.
Or is it?
Fuck, I just realized that the player... no. Okay. We need a better way to structure this, because right now... this is fucked.
It's always facts.
Yes. It is. But I'm thinking mainly in the sense of... Wait, why the fuck is this fucked? Wait, hold on, what the fuck? Wait. Huh. I don't have a... Oh, that sucks. Oh no, I cannot do that. Oh, that's sad. Okay, whatever. It's whatever. Nobody cares. Is the Twitch chat also working? Yeah. Yeah, nice. Okay. But yeah, because what I need to do is that when you press that you would like to move in a direction, I cannot... Well, I guess this is rotation. Bruh. How the fuck do they do it in here? What do they have? They have entity position. And then have player direction. But I need to keep track of their orientation as well, because otherwise this will go kind of like... I need both like the direction a player wants to move, and I also need to keep track of their rotation or orientation. Okay, let's see. What do their AI? Do their AI have anything on this? Because how is it, man? Oh, that's why they struggled with their own thing.
Are you using the SpacetimeDB AI?
Because they have a video, 11 episodes on how they made a Minecraft server using their thing. And the thing they struggled with, or that I remember struggled, was precisely this rotation stuff for like where is the player looking. And now I need that like as a main thing, kind of. Well, actually, do I?
But I mean, just store a goddamn vector. What's the issue?
No, because what I need to send is what direction do they want to move, and then I need a direction where are they looking. And I feel like is there a smart way to go about it, or do we actually need to store both of the data?
Just store the movement vector. Well, no.
Actually, I just want to
Don't,
process input.
because you can...
That's all I want. I could have a separate table that
Yeah, I guess.
processes input. That would make more sense. Because, or kind of like actions, you know? Because I can have space action, I can have W action, which would correspond to forward movement. That's not directly... It's not yet player data, it's still just an IO, which needs to be sent to the server, right? And then it needs to be processed before it becomes an action or stored in the player. Or with the player data.
Sure.
But I'm gonna say...
I don't think you should not store the actual key binds. You should just store the action because someone might rebind, you know.
Yeah, because... Yeah, no, yeah, I should store the action, for example. Then I can just have one reducer, like one function call that takes that in, and through that I can do the decision to what is this, and I don't have to have 100 different calls, you know, functions for every action. I can just go through a switch case or whatnot.
Yeah.
And it will also be easier on the client side because I need to bind all of that to SIG FFI or C FFI stuff with truths.
Sure.
Yeah, you know that shit.
Guys, just wanting to say why I will eat. I can't really speak, so yeah. But I will hear what you say.
That makes
And
sense.
Eric,
Okay.
you cook.
All right.
Yeah.
And
Do
you
you have,
cook
do you,
too.
wait, one thing. Is your family there?
Yeah.
Obama.
No, not right now. Not right now.
Oh, you scared them away with the
Oh,
babna. They heard babna. I was
Babana.
like, Obama nana.
They didn't hear Obama now. They heard Obama da ba da.
How is it meant? How is it meant to? Process player input for a 3-factor from a. I need orientation and then also based on direction to move. That's not how it plays. Whatever. I don't care. Because I just have rotation, but I guess I could keep a direction in the table, but I'm not sure. The available documentary does not provide explicit instruction code example processing third-person character input orientation camera moving. Okay, but this one only explains how to do a top-down 2D game, so that's not gonna be useful. Let's just go in here. Wow, my internet died.
Fabulous.
Or is this just GPT? Well, we don't need GPT, we got Grok. Okay, we don't need Grok, we got Gemini. Oh my god, fuck. Yeah, I didn't give context to that it's DB anymore. In SpacetimeDB. Let's see if it knows anything about it, because it's highly... But even if it gives me something that's complete trash, I think I can still use it to my advantage and maybe just see if it has a different angle. Ah, okay, it's actually searching through the documentation, but the documentation won't really help because it's only telling how to do it. I'm just needing kind of like ideas of ways to go about it. I guess action could make most sense, but I don't know like what would make an action reducer that takes in what action it is and then somehow it needs to be a vector embedded into it, and then based on that do some movement. Let's see. So storing input tables, character table with rotation, position, rotation, and direction. Apply a schedule tick a... Okay. This I don't necessarily care about, but this one I will care about. Let's see, what do they have? The character table where they have the entity ID, the player ID, the position, rotation, and yeah, then they also do the direction. Then they use quaternion. I haven't even gotten to that point. I should probably get into that now.
Don't use quaternions.
But I'm not gonna... Why would I pass in position? Position should not be something that comes... Well... Why would I pass position? That doesn't make sense, because the server is the authoritative. Why would the client tell its position what it thinks it should be? Current position validated anti-teleportation. Well, that's not validated if you take it in from the client. It's like, yeah, it's probably good enough. bruh. Okay, this one is stripping. Yeah, sure. Okay, but I guess it's not too crazy to go about this, having a direction and a rotation. Yeah, okay, whoa. Let's do that. We'll add another one. And I'm not gonna do direction. So we will have this, and I will just take away everything that has something to do with rotation right now and just change it with direction. Let's see. Oh yeah, we need to add another one now. Okay, that was pretty much it. That was crazy amount of change. And then we will change direction to be this. All of this will be 0, 0, 0. And how could I make a generic reducer that called command process all of the through one reducer. Yeah, just give him a compliment on the idea. Well, thank you. I don't really care about that compliment. Just tell me how I can actually accomplish this. Enum single. Okay, wait. Here, client capture various input movement. Yes, that's true. Okay. Is this some Rust shit? Wait, SAT. What is a SAT? Yeah, in your SpacetimeDB project, define a command type. This ensures that client and server use the same. Well, I guess I can use the same. Yeah, because my client is still Rust, or my platform is. Command that's that module command. Move. Okay, camera. Jump. Command Q for ordering anti-spam. Interesting. 30 command and timestamp. Okay. Move includes normalized direction, compute client side relative to camera, and speed. Well, I don't really need to. Spamming is not an issue yet for me. I'm just gonna fix those things when they become an issue. Before that, I'm not even gonna care. Let's see. I don't care about jump though yet. I just want to get to the point where I can have a handle. Yes, okay. Perfect. Okay, now this is perfect. Yes. That I will get to later. Okay. I like this idea. I don't know if of a better idea, but if this is what it tells me it could be, then this is gonna be freaking sexy. And you know, I like sexy stuff. SAT. It's actually supposed to be called command .sat. That's just so weird. It doesn't seem to record. I don't know what. I'm just gonna call it Rust. I don't know. This feels too read. Bleh. What the fuck? Whoa. That's crazy. Okay. But I do have like this map which just says that. Okay, I have no idea. And then move. I'm not very sure I want that though. Let's see. I'm just gonna go here to lib. I'm gonna go here at that. Oh wow. I did? Bro, how could this happen? Well, Discord ain't starting, bro. Ain't start. What for real? Why ain't it? It just says start. Ah, okay, now it started. When I move. Ah, did you know something is loading? That's crazy. Yo, I'm back, and you cannot hear me. Now that's crazy. Hello?
Your mic is broken.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. I was just lying,
How dare you?
apparently.
I trusted you, and you betrayed me.
Yep.
Damn. Ah. Now it recognizes it as a... Wait, what the fuck? What am I... I'm supposed to put this in here. Like, what am I supposed to do? How does Rust work, bro? I have no idea what the hell I'm supposed to do. Am I supposed to be here or am I supposed to be here? Well, this one seems to be more fun. I don't know. I'm just gonna take this one away. Lol. Goodbye. Well, I need it. And the only... Bruh. Well, then I guess we will have to do this. Take this away from here, put it in here. And then we'll have to import... No, wait. No, you can't... What? Bruh, take the whole thing. Bruh, what is this? Oh, this is stupid, I'm just saying, alright? I don't know. Whoa. Alright. And let's take this and let's see, filter through what do we need from this thing and what don't we need. Probably most of the things we don't need, but we'll see. I'm gonna put it right here. Alright. It needs to know it's a space-time reducer to begin with. That's crazy. Command is defined multiple times. I'm just gonna call it player command. That... Okay, that's fine. Cannot find type command in the scope. Yes, okay, that's fine. What the fuck? Wait, where is it taking me from now? This one is not it. I wanted to use this from here. This command. Here. Bruh. What the fuck? That doesn't look right. I have no idea. Okay. What is a set file in Rust? And how does it do it? Ah. Ah, well then we'll just use the Rust. I don't know how... Yeah, don't worry about it. I will delete this one. And well, let's go and just do the same thing that I did for the math one. Here. There is literally nothing else except for saying derive spacetime type. Do I have to say that maybe? Okay. I'm not too concerned about anything else because they're not gonna be copied or whatnot. What the fuck? And this one I need to get the... Let me close. Okay, it's interesting. Somehow I need to get my Vec in 3 here. And how can I do that? See, cannot find command in scope found in the... What? Do you need to... Compatible with space and... Yes, that's true this. Oh my god, it's retarded again. Ah. I just want to know how I get this stupid... Bro. How do I import it? That's all I need to know. I cannot create it. Why is it trying to force me to create? Bro, I cannot do that. Why is it still trying to go through that path? Like, where is it getting this? Where is it getting these ideas from? What the fuck? Ah. Can I do this? Ah. I don't know if that's the way I want to do it. Isn't this better? No? Okay, it's not better. Qualify as... Well, let's see what that... If it compiles, then it's good. So now we should have command. Import command. There is no such thing. What? What? Use command. Command. The user argument command does not implement spacetime type. If you want, okay. So then we put this one back in here, and then it's lost again. Must be a unit variant or new type. What does that mean? Mm-hmm. So you will have to do... Well, that's fine. I'm fine with that. That's okay. Okay. And then, okay. Let's see. I don't know if I don't care about the timestamp. Don't need that. I don't think I'm forced to have it either. I hope not. Fuck. And then it's gonna try to find the player text player identifying. Sure. I'm not sure if that's the identity though. Maybe it is. I'm not. Is it? Let's see. It is, okay. Sorry, what? You already got the character. I don't know why you're trying to do this. Player is the thing. And then move. Tuple variant move. Now I see why it's Wait, let's take that back. This should be the actual player as it is. Yeah, no, because if I do player dot, here we got all of the things, which it would usually take from here. So player is my, but I want a mutable. That's the only difference. And we can bruh. We'll have to get it. But in a player dot, I'm not gonna do this. Can I just say player dot unwrap? No, I cannot. What can I do? I cannot do any of those things. Player identity defined. how the fuck do I get that unwrap? This is what I want to do. I want to take the player. But I already got... No, this should be all that I need. Wait, hold on. What the fuck? I shouldn't need anything else besides these things. But there's no such thing as an unwrap, which I find super strange, because there should definitely be a... Okay, but that's fine. Let's see. What if I just don't do this and just say dot there unwrap? Then I can remove that. So yeah, I'm just gonna trust, bro. Let mutable. Well, not that it needs to. Whatever. I don't care. Let's see. Command move. I just wanna see match. Command, yeah, move. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. Good. Tuple variant command written as struct variant. Let's just provide it with this. That comment is a bit unnecessary. I'm gonna remove it. Oh wait, quick fix.
I
What?
finished eating.
Yo,
I don't like that. What?
he finished eating.
Yo, I heard he finished meeting. I was like, all right.
Yeah, he was meeting, you know.
The error occurs because player command reduces strung to match move as a struct variant. Move, but based on earlier context, you define command to use new type variant. Okay. Move command to satisfy space time type requirements. The compiler expects a tuple-like pattern. Move command. Right. Oh, right. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nah. I should probably have seen that, bro. Nah, that's a bit disappointing. Okay. Boom. Okay. Let's continue. This is
Guys, I will be in the PC.
You will what?
In 1 minute. I will be in the call on the PC in less than 1 minute.
All right.
That's crazy.
Take timer to Harold. Take
Guys, let's
timer.
talk. Yeah, sure. Nah. Let's talk to let's dox him so he can't connect to the internet.
Oh, I'm already on the PC. It's too late, guys.
No, you're on your phone, but it's just a big phone.
Oh, with 3 monitors.
Yeah.
Command.
Actually, I'm on my Raspberry Pi.
Speed.
Damn.
There should be a speed field. Oh yeah, I don't actually have a speed field. Do I care about the speed field?
It's a question.
The move shouldn't even have us. Bruh. Why would I put a speed? No, this is just ideal direction. I don't want anything to do with speed. Fuck that. Yes. I don't want that.
Guys, I have messed up.
Oh no!
What happened?
I placed one block too much up, but it should not be too hard to fix.
Yeah,
It's like,
if it's not a seg fault, it's not hard to fix.
Yep.
Let's see, identity update. I hope this might be a bit weird. If it's jump, for now I won't even really care about it. I just want to see get multiple actions going here at the same time. Yeah, this should update the direction, whichever direction you're pressing. And then here it will just take the direction and move that thing towards that direction. It shouldn't be that weird. Yeah! Let's see. Wait, where am I? Space-time. Space-time. Wait, no. I want to be... Space-time. generate. That's what I want to do, right? Yes. Dash dash lang rust. Wait, dash h. Let's see, what can I do? I need a project path, and
Who's
then I
this
need.
guy?
Hmm?
Who's this guy?
Who's this guy? This is me.
Okay, wait, I don't remember this command. I need to
I
see.
am I.
I see. I see.
Here.
Yes.
So Harold, what do you need help? What should I do?
No, not much.
Should I farm granite?
I mean, if you want to.
Like, do you still need granite?
I'll always.
He always needs to be grinding.
Or
Always
is
need
there
lag on it.
or is there something else I can do?
You can destroy the tower that you guys built.
He's
What?
just shitting on the things you
Yeah.
created. He's like, that's disgusting.
Yeah, bro, that shit looks awful.
By the way, am I seeing some Swedish architecture here?
Yes, this is very Swedish.
Mm-hmm.
Well, a little bit inspiration from the Nederlanden, or Dutch.
Dutch. Outer project.
Should I help break this?
Sure.
Outer.
Harold, I think you're trapped.
It doesn't matter. Sorry for my dogs if you hear them, by the way.
No, we're not.
Okay, let's see. Where do I have client source modules? Let's just delete the old ones and generate the new ones like so. I think it got all of the new ones. Yeah. Okay, cool. So then I can go back to the main. I should really start renaming this to something better, but it's still just to get the basic controller working, and then I can do something cooler with it. Great, tea is amazing. Who doesn't like tea? I love tea. Okay, cool. Anyways, I'm
I have 4 water bottles in Minecraft right now to stay hydrated.
Great. Okay.
Yes, or as you say in Finland, vodka. Because that's totally not Russian.
What the fuck, bro? Well, now the issue is I register inputs through the renderer. I need them to be registered through this thing.
The game.
Yeah. No, not the game. The platform.
But the platform is the game. At least
So,
right now.
I'm
it's the
thinking
game.
like I should probably in here have a. I mean, I could have. It would be disgusting, but it could work. But I think it's better to just. I could export a function through Sig to just return. Nah, bro, that's disgusting. I'm not gonna do that. I think it's still best maybe to initialize the window, but does that make sense? To initialize the window in Rust and then pass it into the library to
No.
But is it too
You
bad?
should initialize so. Wait, but the Rust thing. Wait. Nah, I think you really need to create
I
a
guess
window
it's not
in
too
Rust.
bad, it's just horrendous.
Maybe you need to create a window in Rust though.
Or I could have a exported function here which just takes key presses or whatnot. But I don't know, bro. That's just yeah.
Nej, bra spel.
I need to think this through.
Harold, what should I do?
Destroy the tower you guys made, or make it better. One or the other.
After your building. Let's just finish your
Let's
building
see.
first.
Great.
My building, okay.
Great.
Well, I don't know. I probably need more logs, I guess.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
Who's gonna carry the
Logs.
boats and the
Yeah, I mean, you
logs?
use logger. You gotta get a logger. If you need a logger, okay, and then you can log.
Bro, today in school, we had the topic role play. And we need basically to create a character with like attributes, like we all had, you could have 18 points from like strength, intelligence.
They played my swords and
uh,
sandals game on Discord. Let's go.
Nah, we played it in
Yes.
school, bro. But yeah, bro.
What the hell are they
And
doing in German
we
schools?
basically, it was that we were in teams of 4, and like our plan was that our characters would like basically support each other, so that if one has strength, the other one like has more intelligence, and so like basically because we can solve the like
Wait a
thing
minute.
more.
Is this just the average furry group of friends? What?
No, but it was in school, but it was our assignment.
Yeah, right.
Bro,
Arch ass
but you know what's
assignment.
fire? My character had like a bunch of knowledge, and
Knowledge.
was like the scientist in the team, bro. And so I gave
Why not?
my character. We basically needed to give the characters names, and I basically gave the character the name Lucas. And the backstory for my character, I said, for the thing he wants to achieve, I said he wants to create a triangle in C and Zig with Vulkan. Yeah,
Yes,
everything in
that's a
German.
great backstory.
That's a crazy backstory. True though, it's true though, but crazy. How is it? That's crazy, bro. Absolutely crazy. You know, it reminds me when I started playing D&D on my first time, and you know I made the rookie mistake of going for a intelligent wizard. It's
Yeah,
not
by
as
the way, Lucas, in the role play, you have for me 5 out of 5 points in charisma. I don't know if it's correct in real life, bro, but that's a little bit high, bro.
you don't know my charisma, bro. It's crazy. I walk into a place and everybody is already like, "Holy fuck," and then nobody knows who I am. It's like, "Holy
They're
fuck."
already leaving.
I
Nah, bro,
also
Lucas walks in, everyone is leaving.
we needed to vote down like your also the weaknesses, and I said that you do like stupid mistakes sometimes,
Rust.
like
No, just rust. That's the only weakness.
false. I said
It
equals false.
my
also.
my
Ooh,
my
okay, now
my,
this is how
my,
they
my,
like
my special ability is rage baiting.
it.
But I also said
Yes.
that you never give up. Bro, that was tough, bro.
That is true though.
Yeah. You know, this
Lucas
is
could literally be homeless, living on the Finnish streets. Like that would never happen in Finland, but you know, and he would still somehow find a way to mess up his day with sea.
yeah. Yes. You have described me completely. That's what I would do. Never give up.
Yes.
Harold, do you need the logs
Yeah.
now? I have some.
Yeah, sure. I'll take the logs, but like I hope there are no errors in them.
No. But if you need the boats.
That's good.
Yeah, again.
Boats? What?
Yeah, you know who's gonna carry the boats and the logs.
I don't know what the boats are.
The boats are the boats.
The goats.
The goats. Hmm.
Let's see. It's just an illustrator. Yes, because I do not have that. But I guess if I made a so input is a was hypothetical show. Okay, yeah. Well, if this would be possible, I wouldn't mind. But it is kind of like, okay, this I wouldn't mind. This doesn't look too bad. Like this could work. This I would accept kind of. this idea. You pass the window, you pass the key, and then the only thing that is a bit disgusting is that well, it's not an issue. But if you wanted to change the key bindings, this might be a bit too... Well, I guess you could just say key forward. And this is not really a key yet.
What if someone plays on a controller?
Well, fuck them.
Isn't it cross-platform for controller players?
Yeah, it's gonna be cross-platform from a moment that, like, it needs to run on mobile. If this doesn't run on mobile, there's a huge market that I'm gonna miss out on, you know?
Oh yeah.
And don't forget
Yeah,
the
you could also
Tamagotchi,
make,
bro.
like,
We need it on
port it to
Tamagotchi
the
as
Chinese.
well.
Raspberry Pi?
Raspberry Pi.
Yeah, but you also got to make a Chinese version for it.
Yeah,
with,
and
like no actual fun in it.
and it needs to be able to run on the microwave.
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 But not the air fryer though.
No, not the air fryer, because that's dangerous to play on the air fryer.
Oh right, right. But the radiation machine, that's safer. Yeah, yeah.
Can I play it in my fighting jet?
Yeah. And also, you know, on your pistols, you know, it needs to be a mini
Oh,
game.
yeah.
So when you're bored,
What? Can I play it on my pistol?
And then we will use the actual trigger
Oh,
to shoot
hell,
bullets in the
what?
game. Just hopefully everybody have their safety on, you know, on their weapon before they start playing the game. Otherwise, it would be kind of, you know. Chat
Kind
is
of
only
fucked up.
bots. Yeah. On the kick, it's only bots. I don't know, bro. It's weird. But we can do this function. It's key down. I think that's fine. We still call this render. That's fine.
When you know Lucas is viewbotting on Twitch, but you can't prove it.
Where's the soundboard?
Right?
I'm waiting for the soundboard. Yeah, there it is. Let's do a
Yeah, I
public.
was in Minecraft and there were phantoms, so it was a little delayed.
Is key
Yeah.
down,
Where's my mobile?
bruh. And
Is my unit lagging or not?
Harold, you're lagging out.
yeah, Harold, what the fuck is happening, bro?
They're streaming. Am I lagging out?
Yeah.
Damn. No.
Actually, I just need a window and then I need a key. Fuck, how am I supposed to represent these keys so that... Do I export the keys? Bro, what the fuck? Can I export? I can export a enum or something like that, can I? So they could
You
represent...
can, but it's got...
Because I would like to export the same keys as they are written in the actual GLFW. How can I access the keys anyways in there? How can I even access if a key is pressed?
Questions over questions.
Let's see
Yeah,
here.
you're gonna have to
Oh.
figure that out, man.
Yeah, but this is how I do it, right? So I'm just gonna take this. Are you using a framework or only Vulkan? For now we're using OpenGL, but it's gonna be replaced with only Vulkan, yes. We are using just OpenGL for just to see that we can actually render something. And once we get the rendering and the base controller moving, then I will switch back to Vulkan. Yeah. So... Let's see if get W, key W, but now yeah, this one cannot call the reducers. This one only can return a bool if a key was pressed, and frick pants. This is gonna be not good, not good.
Harold, I successfully destroyed the chicken thing. The old chicken thing.
The chicken, yes.
Yeah. The chicken.
Yeah, that's great. Do you like the new one where they're living in the keller?
In the keller, yeah. I have 2 granite blocks. No, I don't.
Perfect. Well, you did it. Congratulations. Now we have sort of a base. Oh, hell no. What
Don't you
the
like
fuck?
black blocks?
I die.
Can I ask, what do you
No,
prefer, Sig
I
or
hate them.
Rust? I prefer Sig.
Oh, that was close. I nearly clapped.
Damn,
Press
did
the wrong button.
you got that TikTok thing on your back? Damn.
Yeah, cape. Look.
Yeah, okay,
fire shit.
I just got mega.
Therefore migrated.
Yeah, sadly I did.
It feels so weird, like, what is
Damn, I
actually
hate Microsoft.
supposed to be handled with through the game, or what is supposed to be handled on the server. Like, I'm still like not seeing the picture for this, but that's why I'm just making a shitty version first to get a feel for this. But this is now funny, because I need to get in somehow. I need another way where I can pass both the key and the window to get. I need like a way to just. Is there, what can I do? GLFW key, there is no key down. .io, .key. Bruh, I cannot. Get. This could work. Maybe? Is this what I'm trying to find? Let's see, can I go to this function? Same as GLF get key down. Well, isn't this what, bruh? But now I pass in. Okay. But no, I cannot take. Can I pass in a glf.io.key.w, for example, and then I say window? Okay, this seems to be fine. Let's see if I go here. Where is this? Okay. So this is actually associated. Perfect. This is what I wanted. I want this struct. And this one is it? Let's see it though. I think it is fine. So can I just pub?
Wait, Harold, you removed the oven? The
Yeah,
crazy
but
oven?
like you see, I may have accidentally opened it. I got one entire level.
Wait, one, only one.
Yo.
Yeah, there was
which level?
literally nothing there.
But on which level were you?
I'm on level 40.
Yeah, but when you opened it.
I don't remember. It's like a long time ago.
Yeah.
Bro really suffocated in a wall.
Wait, what happened here? Wait, what? No. Where's my temple? Guys,
Your temple? Did you have a temple somewhere? Well, sorry, no religion here.
I can't see anything. Where is it?
What do you
Wait,
mean?
how
temple?
high am I?
Should I not be able
Not
to
high.
do this?
You can
Bro
go
isn't
even
drugged.
higher.
Give me your XP. Let
No.
me kill you.
Harold is higher level than I am now.
Harold, how much the fuck are you grinding?
Bro, I've been playing it for like 2 hours. What do you mean grinding, bro? I've spent like 2 hours just building and not
Wait,
even trying to get
wait.
levels.
What?
Harold,
Whoa,
isn't
give
this
me-
possible
I need some
somehow
levels.
to get the... I want to use the same... Bruh,
Wait.
why is this not...
I'm dying, I'm
This is
dying.
actually.
You want to use the same?
Yeah.
I'm half a heart dead.
I'm
Okay.
gonna kill you.
Yeah,
No.
And then I just need this one to become
just
Can I just say this?
why do you...
Does this encapsulate all of them?
Okay.
Like, I need this one to become so I can export it with
No.
the render, so I can just pass it in as a
You
parameter.
can just export the other one.
Wait, jump.
How?
you see how you're exporting the constant key,
Mm-hmm.
and you see the other constant for key. You can just export that one.
But this is not mine. This is from this place.
Yeah, no, you can't just encapsulate that. Sorry, you have to do Okay, remove this export const key stuff. Okay. Okay, and then we export the other key thing down there.
But I cannot modify this.
No,
No, trust me,
actually,
you just do it.
But this is not, bro.
for thread
Well, like,
keys.
it doesn't matter. It's just an integer in the end. Like the type safety just drops when FFI comes in. Anyways, it's just
Can you
gonna be a
drop me-
C for FFI.
Yeah,
So I
but
can just keep using the old GLFW one, and then when you load it through Rust, you just say that it's a integer. Like you can't just enums work differently
this is not even
in
my
Rust
library.
and Sig.
Is this from your thing or where is this from? I don't know.
Yeah, this is my thing.
Okay, but I was wondering
Yeah.
if it would be
Wait.
a convenient way to get it,
Where's the jump?
so I wouldn't have to rely on this one. Because if this
No.
one changes, then I'm fucked.
Oh, please.
You shouldn't. What are you trying to do this? Use this for?
So I can get in through here. Is key down? I pass the window and I pass the key, and then I can get it here, and I don't have to create for every single key
Oh,
binding.
shit.
You know, I can just see if it was pressed.
Yeah, no. Just take in the glfw.io.key. It's fine. Like
That's
the
fine.
enum is a C integer.
Ah, bruh.
Yeah. FFI doesn't care. FFI
But
I think FFI either thinks it's an
But
enum,
I-
but
I
if it
still need-
doesn't, you can just take in a
I
C.
still need to get it from here so I can somehow. I don't know. How the fuck can I get all of the?
Yeah, you're just gonna have to declare all the constants somehow.
Bruh. But if
Or
I,
is the ones that you need. Like you're fucked. You can't export enums in Sig because they don't work like at all like FFI wants to do.
bruh. You know what? I have a better idea. We're just gonna take a C and then
Yeah.
here we're just then we can.
Yeah, that's clear.
Yeah. Fuck it. I'm just gonna say. I'm gonna say.
Just name it key.
Yeah, key. And then I'm just gonna give.
That's a C in.
Can I say? Should I just say, or should I say U or I32?
Yeah, you should say U32 or C int.
I'll do 32.
I would do C int because it's gonna become a C int anyways.
Bruh. But what is C?
I
Is
think.
Cint also a U32 or I32?
Well, it's because C sometimes makes it like double and whatever. It's C's shit. What can you say?
Hey. No.
What? No. Don't do that. Remove this garbage switch. There's a better way of doing this. So it's in the glfw.io.key dot get. No, it's down there. Okay, you can redeclare it if you want. Yeah, here. Just do at enum from int.
Oh yeah, but I will just pass in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will here do my own kind of thing because I will never know. It's much easier to just know what that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 correspond to something, and then here I will just reuse it. I don't know.
Okay, I mean sure, but you can do const and then you do key and then equals switch. Just don't do this in a stupid way, okay?
I don't think that's an option.
Yeah,
When do
sadly I don't
start
think that's an
tomorrow?
option either.
So check quickly when I start tomorrow. I'm good. I'm chilling. Anyways. Yeah, because 0, 1, 2, 3 can always stay the same. Then I can change the binding in here however I want it on the fly. I never have to be concerned about that. Yeah. Yeah, I think that makes more sense. So what did you say? Const switch?
Yeah, well no, do like const like I don't know, glfw key equals switch blah blah.
What?
in yeah.
The key. Why would I do it like this? I just need it for 4 keys right now.
Yeah, but how? Still, don't do this in a stupid way. Okay, before the switch, do const glfw underscore key.
Underscore key.
Yeah, key equals. Actually, remove the equals. I would probably do colon glfw.io.key. Equals. And then you add a semicolon at the end of the switch.
Oh, you mean like that?
Yes.
Was
And
thinking...
also in the else, I would just do unreachable.
And then you call this at the end.
You were thinking
Ah.
something stupid. That's just no.
Yes. So then you
Yeah.
just do this.
You can also just do glfw key.get. Like glfw underscore key.get. After the switch.
Wait, what? You mean like...
After the switch. You know, no, just leave it. Just leave it be. Add back the semicolon. The semicolon is very important. Okay, great. Then you can do glfw underscore key.
Okay.
No, just do what I say. Okay, don't think about it. Underscore key.
Wait, let me just
Dot.
change.
Yeah, sure. You can just do dot, and then this would show up. No, just do dot. Well, if you had LSB at least.
I do have LSP, but it's something is wrong here.
Well, barely work. You can just do dot a for now. In the else, you can just do unreachable. You just pretend it's unreachable. Okay, great. And now you can do dot get.
Ah.
Yeah.
And this one returns true if it was pressed.
Yes.
Resume, bruh.
That's it. Nice and easy.
Whoa, look at that. Okay. So we will have 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then this one will become, so we'll A. And W will be 0. S, and then D. Yeah. Now that's some crazy shit right there. Okay, let's see. We'll go back, we'll take this one is key down. And I think we'll put it, this one is actually a whole new thing because this one is something that we will call to the debater base. And we'll take in the, and we'll say this will be the key. And then there will be the window. And that will be pretty much it. And then we can go in here on each loop before we'll do the update. Sure, and then here we can do is key down. We pass in, I just want for the forward, and then we'll pass window. And I will say if we should have something that process input, but for now we'll just write it straight here. And if that's the case, I should have access to the debater base, I think. Can I just say move player straight here? Move.
A database.
I have to go through something, right? There's no way that here. Yes, this makes it ctx dot reducers dot. How do I do this? Send command. What? No. Move player. Hold on. Commands. Player command. Yes, there. And then we pass in that. Do I get that? Like brah, tx, comma, and db. Vector 3, new. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. I don't know if it's not worth the hassle trying to, if it's gonna be wrong. Alright, so. Cool. Mismatch type, right. How do I do? Is it just to say bool? Is it like this? Okay, cool. No function or association with item name new. Okay, so this is not how you create a new one. Expect a function tuple structure, blah blah blah. Let's see, move player. No. This is reducer send command. Okay. I'm a bit stupid, but that's okay. Right, let me just see this first. Let's get one thing right before anything else. That should be all, but don't care about that. Expected one-off or do I have to say something like no? Why is this not? Let's see. Let's write it out. Move like so, and then in here I will just say db vector 3 this is not fine. Expected tuple structure. Let's see, how do I? That should be it. Let me try this. Not sure how Rust works now. Never that I will be, but fuck. Wait, what? No. Fuck. Oh my god. I hate when I put the RBG lights on my keyboard. Expected identifier found.
T-Chef and I just found the villager.
What the villager?
Yeah, the villager.
No,
Wait,
can't get-
wait, bless you.
Thank
Wait,
you.
oh, yes. Bro, Moss is actually huge.
Mismatch type struct.
Look at this,
found
guys,
tuple,
look at this.
Oh.
Look at my, come down.
Yeah.
No, look.
Damn. Now it's gonna look even more like a
this
rat
actually
cave
looks
down here.
beautiful. We can do the thing all center like this, man.
What the fuck? I should not have given these Germans this power.
True.
They're gonna destroy my Swedish architecture.
True.
Bro, we are nature, guys.
Nah. We are Swedish.
Okay, maybe I'm onto something now. Wait. Fuck. I thought I had it.
Oh, TT Chef, I wanted
Struct
to
vector
mine
found
coal
type,
with
blah,
you,
blah, blah.
but I died.
There is no code.
You killed me.
How dare you, T-Chef?
I wasn't at fault here.
Fred was rage baiting.
Yeah, just imagine that,
That's
bro.
pretty-
He was like doing equals 2, bro.
Die. And
I don't know if I'm making this just look way worse than it needs to be.
guys, I think we should change out booleans to not be 0 and 1, but 0 and 255.
That sounds like hella
No,
cursed.
no. 0 and you int 32 max.
Ah, yeah, exactly, even better.
Underflow and overflow.
Exactly.
Okay, guys, I actually figured
have
this
it.
unnecessary. I'm figuring this shit out. Just look at this monstrosity of a
Montosity.
monstrosity.
At
To
the
create a
database.
command, I need to create a command
Database.
move, which is a move command, which takes in some direction, which is a DB vector.
And
Oh, this is great. And now, what we can do is this.
Tisha, in a house,
Yeah.
what do you need? Lucas, you probably know. What do you need in a house in Minecraft?
Working bench.
That we have.
Okay, furnace.
Look, that's the
Yeah, we have.
basics, bro.
You need a slave farm.
That we don't have yet.
Yeah, that's pretty
Slame?
important.
What is the
As-
slame?
A
I only know-
villager. Villager
Oh.
farm. Yeah, aka slave farm.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
understood slame.
No, slave.
Slave farm.
Oh, hell no, we need a villager trading room. Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. About that.
About that.
Yeah.
Okay, we found it. Right, we have the
Me-
villager
Put or
room now.
something.
Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work, bro. This is just. In theory, this should work. In practice, I don't know. Where am I? CD
Ah.
server.
Lucas.
SpacetimeDB.
Wait, what is even your path? Like, I thought you like wanted to show like your whole path, so
Yeah, I wanted
can,
to, but
like,
then it
know
became
where
too
you-
long, so I couldn't do it.
Yeah, now it's just sitting into the hardware.
but why do you have now the dot? Then just remove it.
No, I still. Okay, I could remove it, to be honest.
It's like super not useful.
I don't know, bro. I think it's pretty useful. I
Is
have
this-
no
I
way
don't-
of actually. I don't know. There is a way to see if this actually works. Because it would be fucked if it works. That's the thing. Where the fuck I'm already in client. Cargo run. Let's see. Does it even compile?
Let's run the cargo.
Oh, it
ship.
didn't even compile. Bruh.
Oh, yeah. I think it doesn't work.
Guys, what do you think about my Swedish architecture? I can send that pic to Lucas
Linking
also.
CC failed. Right.
Looks Swedish to me, not gonna lie.
That's a point.
There's the dynamic library. Boom.
Yo, you actually trapped the. Bro.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yep, it worked.
Because I sent a picture.
Okay, look. As long as I do. Oh no, I pressed it. But look, it works. It's
I'm not
fantastic.
seeing the cube on the other screen.
Yeah, that's because I cannot press the W key, because if I press the W key, then it will move. Look. It works. It worked. The reduce, everything is connected. It's just fucked, but it works. That's the point, alright? It works. That's the fucking point. That's quite impressive, actually. I don't usually run, like, when I write code and run it for the first time, it just worked. Okay, it didn't work on the first run. It actually did crash, or it didn't, because I didn't compile the dynamic library. But after I compiled it, the dynamic library also compiled on the first try. Now that's fucking crazy. That usually doesn't happen. Well, okay, I also had. Well, I don't know if I count that, to be honest, because what the game was hallucinating.
Yeah, first try.
But this is pretty cool. So Now we're starting to get input also working. I just need to make it actually work with the renderer so it displays the correct thing, because right now what I'm doing is fucked as hell, but it's moving, and that's the point. Now this is cool. Yeah. This is awesome. But yeah, it's getting late. I need to practice more maths and physics tomorrow morning. Long school day, and yeah, still good progress. Tomorrow, hopefully, we get the I don't know, bro. It's gonna take a while. This thing with yo, what's up, Whale Tech? You can see the cool thing that we made. We made it so when you press W, you will move forward. Look at that. But we don't change the direction. I should probably like check for that input press all the time, because otherwise, no, you will be in constant movement. But that's fine. It's fine. We don't care. We are cool, aren't we, T-Chef? I must ask, purple streaming platform or
T-Chef
red
died.
streaming platform? Yeah, T-Chef died again. It depends.
Bro, my mic was muted, bro. I said yes. Just to rewind.
Also, one thing, Jeff, with your the spider farm, there are so many strings. I mean, this is not memory efficient.
Yeah. You know, actually, we're just storing them as weights.
Well, same thing.
But I think they only occupy like 1 megabyte, so I think it's fine.
Sure. Red or purple streaming platform? I think YouTube is still like my main. I gotta say the actual thing. Twitch is. I think I get more views on Twitch though for live streaming, but YouTube is still like my main place to be. And then
It's your home.
I also have green platform. I do kick streaming as well.
A green platform.
For all the bots.
For all the bots.
Yeah, for
like
all
look
bots.
at these bots. They miss me, you know.
They sure do.
I actually really like streaming on Twitch, yeah. But like, look at these bots. They wouldn't know what to do without me. Why am I offline?
And you're maybe the
It
real
was
bot.
just like, you know what? We had enough of you. Okay, no, I'm still there. 2 viewers on Twitch. That's pretty crazy. YouTube has, well, a whopping 0. And that's crazy amount of people. You know, that's like this many. That's crazy.
It's a second whole audience you got there.
Yeah, that's a crazy audience right there. No, it's great. Yeah, but I think I will just call it. Like, we got movement. It's fucked, but that's how it's supposed to be, because I am not considering anything right now. I just want to see stuff happen. Then I will start patching it and making it smooth, because I'm still trying to figure out how the hell is anything even supposed to work. But it's gonna be great. Yeah, that's it. I will go sleep now. Good night. Bye bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, good night. Wait, it was just that stream, right? You're still gonna be here.